summer, and I got my favorite cousin with me.
It's your girl Kiki 4 times.
Yeah. We are about to do a review for you. Get it sexy. Get it sexy.
Bow.
When you say sexy, you already know who we talking about. She's her own person. No comparison.
Slim, thick, crumble skin, 5'5", this bitch a 10. Her done, bills paid, catch me sliding in the beans. I ain't looking for no man, I ain't recruiting no new friends.
Is that sexy?
Get it sexy, get it sexy. Boy, you know this ass super fat. I ain't lying.
A part of us. So I don't care what y'all talk about. Sexy Red K Rock, whatever. She serves her purpose. Motherfuckers is gonna be pregnant this summer, but it ain't gonna be me.
It ain't gonna be me.
Okay? Get it sexy. Get it sexy. Get it.
Black, I'm a big fan. Walking through the club looking like a snake. But you knew that.
Brought out Fabo. Status calling me. I'm in the zone.
No problem.
Girl,
I mean, yeah, that's red. I'll take blue.
Yeah.
This is the new hook. I'm telling y'all.
Thank you. Wow.
Sexy Red is gonna be the You know what?
That's what
Hey,
you
I
like?
ain't was trying
That's what you
to
like?
say.
I'm
You looking at her like that's what you like.
nah. Don't start. Please don't start.
You know what? It's other niggas in here anyway.
What?
Big sexy blood, love the hoes. Bounce that ass, touch them toes. Booty shorts, coochie swole. Thong all up my booty hole. Niggas, they don't go. Trust a nigga, that's a no. He can eat my coochie though. Awesome, got me though. Little me sexy, walking down the street. I don't know what to do, cause the niggas after me. I'm so fucking sexy, yeah, my skin is glistening. Diamonds hitting hard, niggas wanna try my team. Get it sexy, get it sexy, get it sexy, get it sexy.
Y'all gonna hate me for this. She's the Michael Jackson female. The Michael Jackson female.
Y'all, alright. She talking crazy now. It's the Taylor part. Don't listen to her.